Wow, Crystal Station is sparkling today. But wait, Crystal Train, what's wrong?
Unknown signal detected.
Whoa, did you see that? Something is hiding in the tunnel.
Oh, there!
Far down the glowing tunnel, something moved.
Gas! Is that the shadow we saw before? Uh-oh, I don't like surprises.
Whatever was hiding in the tunnel, it was getting closer. Wait, it's coming back. The vehicles hold their breath. The Crystal Train watches nervously.
Hi, I'm Toby. We thought you were a monster.
It wasn't a monster at all, it was a train.
Wait, why do you look sad?
I've been alone.
Oh, Shadow Express wasn't scary. He was lonely.
Wait, I have an idea. You do? Let's fix the forgotten track. Really? Of course.
Yay!
For the first time in a long time, Shadow Express felt hopeful.
Early the next morning, Toby and his friends followed Shadow Express into the forgotten tunnel.
Oh no! The track is damaged.
Then let's fix it. The rescue team was ready to help.
As the team followed Shadow Express deeper into the forgotten tunnel. Help! Did you hear that?
Help me!
Someone needs help! The team follows the sound. I can't get out! Don't worry, we'll help!
I've got this.
Glowbug rescue successful! There he goes! Glowbug rescue! Teamwork saves the day!
After helping the little glowbug, the team continued deeper into the forgotten tunnel. Soon the railway becomes rough and broken. Everyone stopped.
Whoa, what happened here? This is the part I couldn't pass.
Beepo, can you scan the track? Scanning. Track condition, delicious.
The track is delicious.
That's more like it!
Even smart robots make mistakes sometimes. I found the problem!
Let's get to work! Teamwork time, yay! Looking better already! Thank you, friends!
The repair team got started! Suddenly, a rumbling sound echoes through the tunnel.
Uh-oh!
Look out! My track! I've got it! Teamwork saves the day. Great job, Rocky! The repair mission continued!
Looking better already.
Thank you, friends!
Everyone worked together!
I'll clean the tracks!
Scanning repairs.
Track alignment improving. Nice work, team! Hurrah! Wow!
The forgotten railway was coming back to life. Track status complete.
We did it!
Yay, hooray!
Go ahead, Shadow Express!
Okay, it's working! Shadow Express was moving again! Shadow Express rolled farther than ever before! Huh? What's that? Woo!
It's beautiful!
Amazing!
The forgotten railway had been hiding a wonderful secret. I never knew this was here!
It's beautiful!
And now everyone can visit! I won't be alone anymore! You have friends now!
Yay!
The forgotten railway wasn't forgotten anymore.